Welcome back to another episode of Tablet Guy. Today we have a review of one of the best looking Apple Watch clone that I've ever seen.
The DTX. I too liked its amazing features, but the best part of the watch is its awesome price.
It's just $29, but before you can buy it, let's check whether it's really worth its value.
But before we proceed, hit subscribe button as hard as you can, so you don't miss out on future videos.
So without further ado, let's dig into our review. First we look at the design. This watch has a professional look. Beautiful zinc body with one physical button on the side.
It doesn't have the dial like Apple Watch, but the one button does more or less the same.
Hey, it's a clone, so you cannot expect the same stuff as a $400 smartwatch, but it does have some great looks by having a lighter and a slimmer body than the Apple Watch itself. Compared to the Apple Watch, the DTX measures slightly lesser and weighs about the same.
Then we have interchangeable straps.
The default strap that comes with the watch is colorful and available in steel and silicone. You can easily match your unique fashion look.
The costs of the interchangeable straps are in between $3 to $10. Good value for the straps in the market. The smartwatch has a durable, sporty silicone strap, but it is also available in classy, premium leather.
Let's talk about water resistance.
The watch is water-resistant certified IP68, therefore splashes or dipping into 1 meter once in a while will not break it. It is, however, not swim-resistant, and so you cannot do a freestyle lap with it. Next is the display.
There is also a good improvement on the screen display. The new DTX smartwatch got a rectangular display similar to the Apple Watch, but with a screen almost same size with almost same resolution. The new DTX has a 1.7-inch Retina HD large LCD touchscreen, which is created with a resolution of 320 by 385 pixels. This large screen shows more content and makes the watch more elegant when you set up your watch face style.
Now the hardware, it is powered by MTK 2502, with BMA 425 dual chip, an advanced chip with low power consumption. Sensors included are acceleration sensor, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen monitor as well as ECG monitor. The wearable is Bluetooth 5 compatible with Android 5.1 and above and iOS 10.0 and above. It uses the Fundo Support app. It also supports Bluetooth calling.
Battery. The DTX smartwatch has a 260 mAh battery with standby time of 5 days and with normal usage of about 2 to 3 days.
Now we will talk about its features. With its HR monitor, it has a 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Its ECG monitoring can access heart rate with PPG and HRV. Other health functions included are sleep monitoring providing intelligent sleep statistics, sedentary reminder, auto step counter with calorie and distance counter. It is also packed with multiple sports mode, running, cycling, weightlifting, fast walking, football.
And now about the price. For under $29, it's definitely worth the price. So enough with the sugarcoating, and now we'll become a little mean and talk about the disadvantages of the DTX smartwatch. First disadvantage, it doesn't have NFC, so if you're the type that pays in style by swapping your wrist, this watch isn't for you.
The watch does not have GPS, so it would rely on your smartphone GPS for fitness activities. Also, size of the watch is slim and small. It would suit ladies' wrists and some weaker male wrist as well. It is not made for muscular wrists.
It's not suitable for swimming, so if you're planning to go Baywatching, we suggest you try the real Steve Jobs edition. So this is it guys, thanks for watching. We hope you liked the video.
You can buy the smartwatch in the links provided. Please share and subscribe.
We'll come back soon with a new and exciting video. So until then, take care and goodbye.
Walking in the distance, but I know that heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'm down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.